Hello, you guys. I'm going to be making these really good tasting croissants today. And what you want to start with is you want to wash your potatoes and put them in the pot and let them boil for about 20 minutes until they are cooked all the way. And once they're done cooking, you just want to go ahead and get your potatoes peeled. Go ahead and mash your potatoes until they're soft. When you're finished crushing your potatoes, get your oven preheated to 350 degrees. So I've got 4 potatoes. I'm going to be adding 4 teaspoons of ricotta cheese. I'm using this brand right here. I'm using 4 tablespoons. And I'm going to be adding some black pepper. And salt. And you just mix this together. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my croissant. Now that it's open, I'm gonna go ahead and spread them apart and get them ready to be used. So once you unroll your croissants, you just go ahead and get your potato in there and you roll it nicely. And that's it. Pretty much done. Once you've got all your croissants in your pan, go ahead and give them another coat of oil. There you go. And you can pop these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, 350 degrees. So this is 12 minutes later. Can you see how beautiful these are? You guys, these turned out so good. And they're perfect. They're so easy to make. You can serve them at your parties. They're a good side dish. So this is definitely one of the recipes I recommend. And if you would like more videos, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.